Hi everyone. There are a lot of adverts on playing videos here on YouTube that actually talks about how you can make money online playing games.
Game. Okay. What about it?
Bro, I won 100k last night.
Really?
Yes.
Me that even introduced you to the game. Once just play the game too.
So I decided to just come here and talk about this particular game and also share my own experience trying to make money online playing games. So without wasting time, let's get into the whole thing. You'll be able to find out if I was able to make real life money, how much it was, and my opinions generally about these adverts that are flying up and down and making money online playing games generally. Let's get into it. So immediately I clicked through the advert and installed the Waje app. I saw it written right here boldly, gamble responsibly. Darling, really I saw that was the end of my activity on this particular app. Now, I did not continue again, and I'm going to give you reasons why you should not try these things. For me, you may want to pick your friends and be like, you didn't try it, why are you making a video about it? Or why are you trying to advise us on it? Just calm down. I have tried playing game on a platform that is similar to this particular platform. So that's why I said immediately I saw gamble responsibly. I didn't try it again because this is not just an ordinary game that you're playing. You are actually gambling. I mean, casino has been brought to your bedroom via the internet. So, based on the experience I had on that particular platform, I didn't want to waste my time. I didn't want to waste my resources. I didn't want to waste my God given breath on this other app again, even though there are a whole lot of claims of how much you can make, and the ads are literally popping up on playing videos on the short news feed. Let me actually show you my experience and also why you should avoid these platforms, why you should avoid these ads. Let's get into it. So this is not long ago. It's something recent. I think it's about 2 weeks ago, and it's not any of those platforms I talked about in the other video. You know, there are a lot of gaming platforms. So when I saw this one, I decided to just try it and see if I can make money from it, because the other one did not involve you staking your money, though you have to enter into competition with money, but it was different because on this particular app, Bewin, you are not actually entering into competition with anybody. You are just staking your money, and when you win you actually earn a bigger amount of money, which is gambling. Yes, so it's similar to the platform that we've been seeing a lot of ads on, and that's why I say I didn't want to try it again, because it's the same thing. It's the same thing, darling. And the second thing that even made me to actually try this platform was that I joined a group that is called gaming group. So I had like a coach, a mentor, and I was like, maybe there's a particular strategy they follow in playing this thing to win. Maybe I could learn from them, maybe I could make some money from it. So right here, this is the gaming group. There's a group here. So what happened here in the group is they kind of post like I would say signals. The signal here is not, they are just telling you the name of games you should go and play. There's no spell out strategy to follow. There's no step-by-step procedure on how to win this game. And we are about 500 in the group. Yeah, 589 members inside this group. So when I joined this group, I didn't actually know what to do. I was just there in the group. But then I had to slide into the owner of the group's DM. So this is my conversation with her. Hello, I don't want to mention her name. I've been on the game group for weeks now. I don't understand anything that's going on there. but I want to learn and play and also win. Please, can you help me out on what to do? She was like, have you registered? And me, I didn't register. So I was like, I don't even know how to register. She dropped a link for me and said, click on it to register. The next thing was like, I have registered. She was like, okay, next is to deposit. How much? 2K. Okay, I have funded the account. Please, what should I do next? She was like, play. I should just play the games. So as you can see here, this was my account. I actually funded it with 2K. And when you fund it with 2K, they kind of give you a 100 naira bonus. This 2K here is 2000 naira. I'm sorry for those of you who are watching outside Nigeria. For the buyers, I'm always using naira, even though I try to like mention the dollar equivalent of it. That's because majority of my viewers are from my country, Nigeria. So I apologize for the buyers. So back to the chat. After I told her I funded the account, she asked me to play. She didn't tell me how to play the games. I just went there, tried to play those games, and I lost all of that money in less than 10 minutes. I'm not even joking. At this point, I'm going to take a few minutes of your time and I apologize in advance for that. I want you to do two things for me. The first one is to like this video so that it will get to more people. Save somebody from what is not actually working. Like the video. The second thing here is for you to subscribe. I'm currently running a series I titled I Try series. So what I do is try out the most talked about way of making money here on YouTube to see if I can make some money. And I come right here on YouTube and share my experience and opinion about a particular method of making money online. So go ahead and subscribe so when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Watch it, that way you'll know what is working and what is not working. I'm actually waiting for you to subscribe. If you've done that, thank you very much. Head straight to the comment section and say I've subscribed. So I will send you a special welcome hug that is meant for new subscribers. Thank you. So I went from 2,100 to 16 naira, and I still try to see if I could win, because in the group people are throwing open how much they've actually win, how much they stake to win, how they stake 1,000 to win 10,000, 1,000 to win 40,000 and all of those stuff. So I tried again to see if I would be able to win with my 16 naira and I lose again. So that's why I have 18 naira right here. And since then I've not tried playing again. So I had to go back to my coach to find out if there's anything I was doing wrongly, because I played the exact games that was dropped in the group. So I came back here and said, hello, please, I have lost all the 2K. How do you play to win it? She asked me which site, that's which website. I said, Bewin. Is there any particular method? I am thinking of putting more money, like 10K. Should I do it? I'll tell you why I actually brought up this in the chat. I'm not putting any 10K into anything. She was like, how many Bewin accounts do you have? Just one. I said, why not open another one since you didn't win in this first one? I now ask her, does a new account guarantee winning? She said it have a high chance of winning. Like, okay, but the last one was a new account. Anyways, do you think I should fund it with the 10K? She was like, she dropped this voice note for me and also dropped a link for me to follow and open a new account. So in the voice note, what she was actually saying was that I should just open a new account and then put the 10K there, and she dropped names of game I should play. Like, play, just go and play. There's no strategy that you are going to follow to win this thing. So it's not still guaranteed. Now, you see here that both the people that created this game and all of these people that they've paid to advertise this game, and most of the YouTube channels are making wow claims on how much you can make. 100,000 naira, which is like $100, and $1,000. playing games on your phone, just relaxing, playing a game. It does not actually work like that. All of these people are actually making money when we go to play these games. Now you see that this particular link I clicked through to join the WhatsApp group. Now, when I fund my account, she has a certain percentage because I use our referral link. And now I have played, I've lost. The next step is for me to open a new account. Is there any guarantee that I will win? She said the chances are high because when I fund this my new account again, she's going to get some percentage of that money I've actually funded my account with. So, darling, this thing is not actually working the way they make it sound. I know that you may actually win this thing, but most of them does not tell us how many times they've actually lost on this game before they win. Because you wouldn't tell me that every time you stake your money, you're going to win it. And this is my counsel to everybody out there who cares about my counsel or who cares about my opinion. First of all, it's a bad financial decision to stake your chance of making money to a single win out of 1,000 spin. It's a very bad financial decision. Secondly, there are very high chances of you developing gambling addiction. You can become addicted to this thing because immediately I play that game and I lose. I think I first put in the 500 naira. I lose it. I was like, let me try again. I might win. I lose the next 500. Let me try again. I lose it. I lose it four times. I was left with $100. Like, I can still win. Let me put 40 naira. I lose it. I was like, okay, let me put 40 naira again. I lose it. You will not be able to sit down there and watch your money go. So it's the same thing. If you win, you want to play again so that you can win more. So the chances of developing gambling addiction is so high. I will advise avoid this thing. That's why I didn't even bother wasting my time, energy, and resources on the YJ games because it's gambling. It's pure gambling. It's pure gambling. There's no guarantee anywhere that you're going to win. You might they even develop a gambling addiction along the line of trying to win this thing. So if you are in need of urgent money, like urgent money, because I know that some sort of financial crisis can push people sometimes to do certain things they may not actually want to do. I understand all of those stuff, but gambling is not still an option. What you can do is to actually meet an immediate need. That could be working for somebody. You can look for a job so that you can earn money and maybe you can explain your financial situation to the person that even if you give me like 10% of my salary so I can use to take care of myself, I will really appreciate it. The job may not be a very comfortable job, maybe some sort of sales girl stuff, something that has a huge opening that you can get into faster. The second thing maybe to start a business that meets an immediate need. Immediate needs can be like food. People eat food on a daily basis, but this might need some capital. Or the next thing you can actually do is to leverage on an existing business. Like I did a video here on Google listing and how I was able to make some money. Now for this particular method of making money online, it's like a business I'm doing, but then I didn't need capital, I didn't need anything apart from just taking a 45-minute course, and I was able to make some money doing it. So you can check it out. Aside that, if you don't want to make money like immediately, I'm talking about in 2 weeks time, then invest some time and energy into learning a skill that you can either monetize online or offline, or starting a business. I know to grow a business is actually very easy, but then it pays off on the long run. If not, we will continue to fall prey in the hands of these YouTubers, in the hands of these platforms. They know that people are in financial needs, people are going through a lot. So they will always bring out stuff. Now it is your responsibility and my responsibility not to fall victims of these platforms and these people. So thank you very much for watching. That's the end of today's video. Make sure you check out the Google listing video I talked about here. And if you've not subscribed, remember the try series is still going on. Please subscribe and also like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.